The Canopy Actuator kit from ShoreMaster is a design that was spun off of the Tough Top canopy cover. ShoreMaster took the linear actuated legs from the Tough Top canopy cover and created a new way for ShoreMaster boat lift owners to protect their boat. Installation of the Canopy Actuator kit allows ShoreMaster boat lift owners to enter and exit their boat lift in a much safer and more convenient manner, because you can raise or lower your canopy frame out of the way. This video will demonstrate a simple guideline for installing the Canopy Actuator kit onto a boat lift that already has the canopy frame installed. To begin, slide the leg strap clamp onto the lift leg by bending it open and sliding it around the lift leg, and then bend shut again. Position the leg strap clamp so the bottom of it is 57 inches above the lift's bottom beam. Secure the leg strap clamp to the lift leg using the hole closest to the lift leg, and secure with a 3/8 by 2.5 inch hex head bolt, washers, and a nylock nut. Do not over tighten. The linear actuator will be attached to the outer hole on the leg strap clamp. Attach the UHMW tape to the top inside surface of the lift legs, or commonly referred to as lift uprights, and then to the bottom of the actuated canopy legs as shown. Note, in order to make the UHMW tape stick better to the aluminum surfaces, use isopropyl alcohol to clean them, then let dry before applying the UHMW tape. After removing the standard canopy legs, slide the actuated canopy legs into the lift uprights as shown. Next, attach the motor end of the linear actuator with connector to the actuated canopy leg using a 3/8 by 1.5 inch hex bolt and nylock nut. Make sure the motor on the linear actuator is positioned to face inward. Then, attach the rod end of the linear actuator with connector to the leg clamp strap using a 3/8 by 2.5 inch hex bolt, washers, and a nylock nut. Simply repeat this process for each leg on your boat lift. Now, attach the terminal block to the canopy frame using the self-drilling pan screws, as shown. Next, simply begin connecting the cables that were supplied with your Canopy Actuator kit to the cables on the linear actuators. Run the linear actuator cables up to the terminal block. Attach the cable to the canopy frame using cable ties. Next, attach the ring terminals on the linear actuator cables and coil cable to posts on terminal blocks. Make sure to attach all red positive wires to the same post and all black negative wires to the same post. Secure with 1/4 inch nuts. Now, coil up the excess wire from the linear actuators and use cable ties to secure to the canopy frame. Next, attach the actuated canopy control box to the lift leg by removing the paper backing from the tape on the back of the control box. Then affix the box to the lift leg or lift upright. Press firmly and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Now connect the liftmate boat side cable to the control box cable and the other end to the battery. Now operate the actuated canopy using the toggle switch on the control box. Press up to raise the canopy and down to lower the canopy. Make sure to watch all moving parts while in operation to make sure no wires, parts, or people will get pinched. The Canopy Actuator kit. Another simple innovation from ShoreMaster, making your time on the water simpler, safer, and more convenient. The Canopy Actuator kit is available at any authorized ShoreMaster retailer.